Hi, it's Charlie. Welcome back to another unboxing. So today I've got something different, another delivery from Amazon Prime. So let's get into this box and I'll share with you what I've got this time. As usual, these boxes come well packaged and protected. Some of what I buy is pretty fragile, sensitive to movement, etc. So hence you get the bubble bags. And it's in a nice box. We'll have to open that also. Don't want to damage anything, so I'll have to be careful here. So this is a set of digital vernier calipers, and this is exactly what I need now. Some of you may know I have model railways and I've been missing this component because there's a number of things that I need to use these calipers with. So you see it's got a nice digital readout here, and it will change as you move the calipers in and out, and it comes with a little instruction manual and guarantee, plus included in it is a nice little battery. Now you don't always get a battery with electronic type stuff, you have to generally go out and buy them yourself, but let me give you an idea of how I'm going to put this to use. Now the instructions are quite clear. They tell you to remove the little cover on the top of the caliper and place the battery inside with a positive facing outward. So all being well, when I push this in, it should begin to light up. Yeah, as you can see, that's excellent. Now, to give you an idea of how I might use this, here is an old triang locomotive. Now this is probably 50 years old and it still runs. And one of the issues that modern day railway or railroad modelers have is that the today's track, this flexi track from Pico, which is the best stuff, when you place the locomotive onto the track, it doesn't run very well, and the reason being is the diameter of these wheels. The flange there is just too deep for the rails on the track, and so it clunks along, or it will fail to proceed, as they would say in Britain. What we can do, and I have to put my glasses on for this one, so there's the wheels for some of the coaches or wagons, and what we need to do is measure. If you can see it there, that's 16.16. Let's turn that around for you so you can see. 16.16. Now, if I go and measure the inside of the track, that measures 16.15. So what that tells you is these wheels need to change a little bit. And the other thing is, if I do it this way, If I take that and check this diameter, and that's 10.66 millimeters, the diameter of the inner wheel there. Now, what you have to try and do is make sure, if we can just see this, so you see where that little wheel is. And what you don't want is that flange sitting on what we'll just call the road bed for those that are not completely familiar. See, that actually runs quite smoothly along there. But if I put that locomotive on, now you might be able to see that it's sitting pretty deep on the rail. And if you look closely at these rails, they've got a little clip holding the rail to the track bed. And that's the problem, that they'll ride on top of that. So that's a great example of how I'm going to use this, and also for other modelling that I've been doing. This here from my model of the Clyde Puffer. For any modeller or anyone interested in doing fine engineering, one of these is really a worthwhile investment, because it will bring a whole different level of accuracy. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're interested, you will get it on Amazon. There are a variety of them there. This is a kind of introductory level, which is more than ample for what I'm trying to accomplish with my model railway. So hope you enjoyed this. Give it a big thumbs up, press that bell, subscribe. Be great to see you coming back again. Thanks very much. We'll see you again. Bye for now.